hair extensions is really easy. All you need is a hairbrush and something to section off your hair with. So here I've got my 22-inch clip-ins in number 60, and I'm probably going to use, these are single weft just like the regular ones, so I will probably end up using these and also a pack of double wefted because I like my hair to be really thick. As you can see now, if you look at my hair without extensions in, it's very thin and short, so by the time I've put them all in it will look completely different, and hopefully you won't be able to see that I'm wearing hair extensions. Normally people are really surprised when I tell them I've got hair extensions in. So what you need to do is straighten your hair so that it's easy to put them in, and then starting with the bottom of your head, you need to section off your hair. I'm just going to turn around to show you the back of my head. So you need to section off your hair so that you've just got a very thin layer along the bottom, ready for the first extension to go in. And then I'm just using a hairband to shove my hair up, but it's up to you if you want to use a clip or whatever. And then what you need to do is choose an extension weft that matches this part of this size of your head. So I'm going to go with one with 2 clips. It doesn't have to match perfectly, but the better it matches, obviously, that will be good. So I'm actually going for the 3 clip one, and you can just measure it, that feels fine. And then you might like to straighten them quickly before you put them in, and all you need to do is open the clips like that, and then dig the clip in like that, and then just close the clips and do that all the way along. So there's your first extension in, and take down your hair, section it off again, and you just repeat that process all the way up your head. So I'm going to be putting loads of extensions on my head because I like to have loads and loads of hair. So I'm doing the gaps in between the extensions quite small, but it's totally up to you how you want to do it. So I'm just going to work my way up my whole head now, putting in my extensions, and I will show you when it's done. So now this is the finished look. Obviously I've got changed, but as you can tell my hair's completely different, and I've got just loads of extensions in, but you can't see any of them as they're all covered by my own hair. See if I lift them up? But so you can completely transform your hair. My hair is super long and really thick, and you can't see them, so I absolutely love clip and hair extensions. I couldn't live without them. So I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.